Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, August the 8th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, 12 by 12, yes, and a killer Sudoku. Sudoku killer, yeah. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. 7 extra puzzles. These puzzles I'm not interested. Half of these puzzles I will do in the evening, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, what's the news of today? Well, let me show you. That's the news. Alarm, yeah. There are cyber criminals, scammers. They clone the voice with AI, yeah, artificial intelligence. They clone the voice of the family member, so they can use it, for example, in WhatsApp, or they call the family member to book some money because the family member wants some money, and ask dad or mom, book some money because I'm in trouble. The car is has some defects, or my holiday, all my stuff are gone. Can you transfer some money? But they use the voice of that family member instead of texting it via WhatsApp. So it's very clever of the scammer. Anyway, let me start with this binary puzzle. This will be number 6885, and I've told you it's a 12 by 12. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 39 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me zoom this. Alright, we have here double one, here no, there no, 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 double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes a no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Let me see. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have here 5 ones. If I place a number 6 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be one, this should be no. If I place the 6th one there, then we still have 3 O's in this row. First row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be one, this should be no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 1, 2, 3. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be a 1 then, okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double one. There no. Let me see. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Now we have a double one here. Here no, there no. Double one. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ja, ik heb het echt wel een beetje lastig, maar blijkt het uit die... Maar ik zit even denken, want ik heb ook dus ook ja, dat is gewoon heel... Well, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for these two boxes. Between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ja, maar je kunt de antwoord op 2, 3, 4. Ja, dat heb je helemaal niet nodig. Nee, ik bedoel dat niet eigenlijk niet een mister, maar gewoon juist dat wij weten van hé, wat speelt er 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ook wel heel erg leuk. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here the same between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Here also O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Wow. Not easy, this one, not easy. 1, 2. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Oh, there. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I think we need to compare. One completed row. The second, and we have here first column, second column is complete. Almost the same, double 1 here. And this one is also complete. Okay, yeah. Here we have a double 1. No. 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. Double O. Yeah. This column and that column. Let me compare. O, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, so that's the O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 4, 5. Well, I know between a 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have 1, first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So I need an O in one of these 3 boxes. I can place it here, I can place it there, but I cannot place it here. If I place it here, then we have 3 ones in a row, in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also O and a 1. Here also O and a 1. O and a 1. Can I compare this row? 100. Yes, we can compare this row and that row. All right. Oh 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 1 1 empty box. Oh oh 1 1 oh oh empty box. 1 1 oh oh 1 1 1 1. So we need to switch these two boxes. Yeah. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Alright. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O here, 1 there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5, and this is number 6. 1 2 3 4 6. Double check, yes. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 3 4. 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5. All right, we have here 6 ones. So the rest are O's. This box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright, between two ones comes an O. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. And between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Well. 1 2 3 4 5 6, I believe. 2 3 4. I think we need to compare again. Well. Oh, 1. Oh, 1. It's not the same, this one. Oh, 10. We have oh 10 here. No. 1001. 1001. We don't have here 1001. Well, this will be difficult. This will be difficult. En ik denk ook, maar dat vond ik ook toen hij daar ook al van, het is bij ons denk ik het meest soepel, omdat 3 4 mensen moeten meer gebruiken 1 2 3 4 2 3 4. Well. Double 1 here. Alright. 10. Daar gebruik van moeten maken of zo. En dat betekent misschien meer voor ons, maar dat het. This is not the same. 1001 here. Nee. How about this one? 100. Ja, zeker. Again. This one and this row. Alright. 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Alright, double O here 1, there 1, double 1 here no, there no. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Correct. 1. Oh, between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. 12 by 12. We solve again. But it's a tough one. You need to compare 1 2 3, maybe 3 times or 4 times. Anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle Ikela Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.